I'm just going to give a brief update video on the lawn recovery at the new location for the store. It's now the second week of April. Things are starting to green up and I can begin to see how much grass is left after I killed off most of the weeds. So here we go. You can see after we sprayed to kill the weeds, I can figure out what kind of grass we have. For the most part, it is going to be Bermuda grass. This lighter colored, smaller stemmed grass here is Bermuda grass. And there's naturally a few weeds coming up in it. There's a little bit of Dallas grass here and there and a couple of strands of leftover ryegrass. And then we've got this one little patch over here of St. Augustine grass and a few weeds still in it. But then the whole rest of the yard is Bermuda grass. And you can, if you look really close, even in these kind of bare areas that were just solid weeds whenever I started renovating, you look up close and even it has a little bit of Bermuda grass in it. So I think we're probably going to try to manage Bermuda grass on this site. And I just put out fertilizer on it right before the rain on 2 days ago, and we'll see how well it starts growing from here. And I'm probably not going to spray any weeds for a little while until we see how well the grass is going to grow.